In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subdomain on Cloudflare. Before we begin, a quick note on what we're doing. A subdomain is the part that comes before your main domain, like blog.yourdomain.com or store.yourdomain.com. It's a great way to organize content or services under the same brand. We'll create that subdomain inside Cloudflare so traffic can reach the right server. Start by opening your Cloudflare account and signing in. From your dashboard, look for the domain you want to work with. Click on that specific domain so we're editing the settings for the right site. If you manage multiple domains, double check you selected the correct one to avoid creating records in the wrong place. Next, go to the DNS section. You'll find this in the top navigation once you're inside the domain settings. In the DNS area, you'll see a records section listing existing entries. This is where Cloudflare routes traffic for your domain and any subdomains. Click Add Record. A form will open with several fields. First, choose the correct type. If you're pointing your subdomain to an IPv4 address, select A. If you're using an IPv6 address, select AAAA. If your subdomain should point to another hostname rather than an IP, you would use CNAME. For most simple setups where you have a server IP, A is the usual choice. In the name field, enter just the subdomain label, such as blog or store. Don't type the full domain. Cloudflare will append it automatically. For example, typing blog will create blog.yourdomain.com. Now, enter the IP address. This should be the public IP of the server or hosting environment that will handle the subdomain. Make sure it's accurate. Even a small typo will prevent your subdomain from resolving correctly. You'll also see a couple of helpful options. TTL controls how long resolvers cache the record. Auto is fine for most cases. There's also a proxy setting indicated by an orange or gray cloud. Orange means Cloudflare will proxy and protect the traffic, enabling performance and security features. Gray means DNS only, which sends traffic directly to your server. Choose the mode that matches your application's needs. Once all fields are filled, click Save. You'll see the new record appear in the list. Changes usually take effect quickly, but global DNS can take a few minutes to propagate. That's it, your subdomain is now configured in Cloudflare. Thanks for watching. If you follow these steps carefully, opening your account, selecting the right domain, going to DNS, adding a record, choosing the proper type, entering the subdomain label and adding the correct IP, you'll have your subdomain up and running smoothly.